Today's recipe is going to be a super classic breakfast, very popular especially among healthy eaters, poached egg and avocado on toast. Even though this is a healthy breakfast, it is definitely not a low carb or calorie option, especially because it has quite a lot of fat, and although it is good fat, it is still high in calories. For this breakfast you will need 2 large fresh eggs, half avocado, 2 wholemeal slices, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, salt, black pepper and lemon juice if you would like. To start, place the bread slices on the toaster and prepare the hot water on a pan until it creates bubbles. On today's video I will be doing 2 different methods, without the silicone pots and with them. So for the first method, without the silicone pots, we will add 2 teaspoons of vinegar to the water so it helps the egg to stick together as you drop it. You won't be able to taste the vinegar at all. After that, we will get the egg ready. Make sure you use fresh eggs for this to work and crack it into a fine mesh sieve to remove the liquidy egg white. Once the water is ready, stir it and drop the egg right into the center. Wait between 2 to 3 minutes for it to cook. In the meantime, when the bread is toasted, you can prepare the toast. Cut the avocado in half and mash a quarter on each toast. Add lemon juice if you would like and season it with salt and pepper. Check the egg after 2 to 3 minutes and when ready, remove it from the pan. I did not do that in this video, but if you like, you can remove the excess water with kitchen paper. The second method is using a silicone pot. To be honest with you, the one that I bought isn't really great, and not only it takes ages to cook, the egg also gets stuck to the pot. So I found it better to crack the egg on it and push it down a little bit on the water so some water will get into the silicone pot. After about a minute, when the egg has acquired its shape, I drop it into the water to cook and wait for about 2 minutes. If you're using a good silicone pot, you won't need to push it onto the water nor drop the egg on it. Once ready, remove it from the pan and remove any excess water. You can clearly see the difference here as it is easier to maintain the round shape when using a silicone pot, but you can surely do very good poached eggs without it as you get better at it, something that I surely have to do. If you want your poached egg to be perfect, you can also use kitchen scissors to crop off the egg white that is in excess and make sure it looks perfect. Add the poached eggs over the toast, season them with salt and pepper and add other herbs if you would like. And there you have the classic poached egg and avocado on toast. And let me tell you, that was really delicious. See you on the next video and thank you so much for watching. Have a great week!